Oh, hello. Time for another video. As I had mentioned in the last video, of course, this is my brand new to me 2003 Subaru WRX, old bug eye here. Today's video, I'm going to be pulling the damage out of the back end that I showed you from being rear-ended. As I said, basically it's just a stop and go traffic 15-20 mile an hour crash, but I did end up having to pull out the rear end more than I had originally thought. It came out about 3 inches, so it's definitely quite a bit, but no heavy structural damages, luckily. I'm actually here today re-recording this intro because, well, as you'll see in the next clip, basically is very out of focus, overlit, and I did not have the camera settings set up right. My bad. But I will be displaying that as well because I had all the good information of doing that. But yeah, making a quick recording showing everything, all the progress I've made so far. This is a couple days later. I've gotten the bumper pulled out. I've gotten the new trunk lid and the new bumper in and on, and I will be bringing it to paint in the next couple days. So, yeah, let's take a look at the back, and I'll have this all after I show you the whole auto body tree. This was a fun video, honestly. It's a fun time pulling out the back. I've never done it before. Maybe I messed up, maybe I didn't do it the right way, but hey, let me know in the comments. Let's go take a look. All right. So on today of Spinny Woosh Garage, Scotty does some sketchy shit. I'm not going to waste too much time doing this intro, so I really want to get this done, but I'm taking the old Subaru here down to the old auto body tree out in front of my house. I'm going to pull the indented bumper out. Basically, it's pushed in just about an inch from the accident, and take a look at this setup, and y'all can judge on whether or not this is going to work or not. So I have no idea if this is going to be all too blown out. It looks very light in this video, but basically I've got 2 ratchet straps strapped around the back here, and I'll secure them around the tree in front of my house. What do y'all think? This is pretty old strap here, but I mean, I only need about an inch. Let's see what it does. Alright, good old quick jacks to the rescue. 1, 2, 3, and lower that car. This is actually the first time I've been under this car and had it up on jacks, and well, luckily it doesn't look all too terrible. Not too much rust. Fairly clean. Down she goes. Let's pull her out. Alright, everything's prepped. The trunk is on. Oh, let's do this thing. This is going to be sketchy, but you get to hear some nice vroom vroom Subaru sounds, and that's always nice. Nothing like a good second video here to really show you what's going on, but alright, all backed up. See if I got enough reach here for both sides. Flip this sucker on. all my neighbors are gonna be like, what in the hell is going on? Just hoping the old HOA doesn't come around right at the wrong moment, of course. All right, it's plenty of freaking room. I'm just gonna latch these two together. Corey, I need you to come here and hold this. And I'm just gonna start moving her forward. I just need to hold it until there's slack and then lift it up about completely horizontal with it. And I need to be able to see you for, tell me when to stop. All right. I'm surprised no one's All right, sports fans. I think we got slack. All right, so basically, I'm gonna need you to show me what's going on. I need you to holler. Yep. Go ahead and record it. Yeah, get closer up to. Oh, Christ. How's it looking? Did it budge? Hell yeah. All right, round two. A little more? No. Yeah, that's it?
Right side here was getting tension. Yeah, see that? Did that. And that side's getting cooled a lot less.
The AC in here is pretty good. Ain't bad. Yeah, they just went up and over the damn thing. It is what it is. Hold this up. Let me know when tension's done. Is it tight? Yeah. All right, let's give it a go. What did it do? Alright.
Yeah.
Did it pull?
Yeah, it pulled the metal on the bottom.
But did it pull the back out any? Oh yeah, pretty damn good too. But that, hell yeah, that did it. Alright. Yeah, I think so. I think the rest can be hammered. All right, sweaty as can be. We tried closing this a few times, but I'm not sure if there was an issue with the latch or if it's still just a little bit off. But at this point, it looks like we've gotten a successful goal of pulling out a few inches. It was definitely more than 1 inch. It's about 3 inches or so had to be pulled out, but got that taken care of. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring it in there, start hammering, start figuring things out. Not bad. All right, so we're just about there. It looks like the trunk is missing by just a little bit. But so basically, I got my toolbox in here. I'm thinking about using it as a leverage and applying my big boy here. And that might actually work. Okay. So, without further ado, let's try not to break anything. All right. Let's give this thing a shot. I'm gonna put my foot in here so that doesn't go anywhere. But yeah, that's what I needed to do. All right. I feel like the trunk alignment, because I have swapped over to the new trunk already, I feel like the trunk alignment was a little bit off because I see it's hitting a little to the left, but oh hell, I also see it's hitting a little to the right, so who knows? Honestly, who knows? But, no. So where is this thing? Not hitting right. It's real freaking close, man. Basically, I figure if I hit it a few times, I don't want myself getting hit. There's a bug going around my camera lens. Y'all might see that here in a minute. Yeah, let's try just a bit more. It is a hot day here in Florida. I will give it that as well. Okay. As I hit my garage door. I'll tell you what, I have never in my life really done body work of this sort. But, well, we learning today. Yeah, I think this thing's just at a weird angle. But that's also the way the latch goes in, and hey, that's it, baby. We got her. All right. I fucking pull that lever. All right. Unlatches just fine. That's right. Hell yeah. Still quite a hard latch. Yeah. I see. I don't know. Well, so I'm gonna all right, so auto body tree was a success. Like I said in the beginning, this is several days later. I've gotten more of it pounded out, and everything is sitting nice and flush. These aren't actually bolted in, so it does sit a little more flush than you're seeing right now. But let's take a closer look at things, shall we? So I've got the replacement trunk on at the moment, and this will all be sent back to paint. I've got a few more things to do to the bumper here in terms of getting some OEM installation brackets installed back on. But yeah, this was a pretty fun project because I've never really done anything like this before. Let's go ahead and clip this. Okay. Sure. All right. So, basically with this, I want to do a bit of close-ups here, but there was one difference in this bumper that I had to do was, being that it was a JDM bumper, it did not have a place to install my license plate. Yeah. Also, these taillights are junk. They came with the car, they're very worn out, and I got some brand new OEM ones just came in, ready to go on, and that will be the next video. I figure I'll do its own little thing here and give a little story with that as well. But, oh, yeah. Come on in a little closer. So, as you can see in this portion here, and on the other side as well, unfortunately the ratchet straps did end up pulling through the metal. Now if I was professional, I would probably just weld that closed, but I don't have the welding skills it takes to do that, unfortunately. I do need to pick up a welder and start learning that, and then I have the license plate bracket all done up. This thing I'll probably publish to YouTube short or reels or whatever. Basically, I took the back end of an old door car that I had that was damaged in transit and simply riv nutted this into the bash bar, which, it works. I mean, there was no place to really mount that to the physical bumper, but that's all set. Everything's pulled out. Basically, I had to mount a couple more things onto the bumper. I actually hadn't pulled this off since mounting up the license plate bracket last night. Looks like everything does go up well. I need to get some smaller rivets to put on the side mounting brackets onto the bumper, but that's okay. I would say that should do it for this video. Let's do a quick outro here. So